Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're starting the first lesson from the book 4000 Essential English Words. This book is perfect for learning useful and common English vocabulary that will help you in conversations and writing. In this video, we'll learn 12 new words with their meanings and examples. At the end, we'll also read a short story using these words, so make sure to stay till the end. The first word for today is afraid. Afraid means feeling scared or frightened in. In Persian, afraid means ترسیده. For example, the woman was afraid of what she saw. زن از چیزی که دید ترسیده بود. The second word is agree. Agree means to have the same opinion. In Persian means موافقت کردن. For example, we agreed to meet at 6 p.m. ما توافق کردیم ساعت 6 ملاقات کنیم. Word number 3 is angry. Angry means feeling upset or mad. Example, she was angry because she lost her keys. و عصبانی بود چون کلیدهایش را گم کرد. The fourth one is arrive. Arrive means to reach a place. In Persian means رسیدن. For example, they arrived at the airport on time. آنها به موقع به فرودگاه رسیدند. Word number 5 is at. At means in a specific place or time. In Persian you say در یا به. Example, she's at the park now. او الان در پارک است. Number 6, attack. Attack means to try to hurt or damage someone or something. In Persian, حمله کردن. The example sentence is, the army will attack the enemy tonight. ارتش امشب دشمن حمله خواهد کرد. Number 7, bottom. Bottom means the lowest part of something. In Persian we say پایین یا کف. Example, the ball is at the bottom of the box. توپ در پایین جعبه است. Number 8, clever. Clever means smart or intelligent. In Persian we say باهوش زرنگ. The example, the clever boy solved the puzzle quickly. پسر باهوش پازل را سریع حل کرد. Number 9, cruel. Cruel means not kind, causing pain or suffering. In Persian, بی‌رحم. The example sentence, the cruel man shouted at the dog. مرد بی‌رحم سر سگ داد زد. Number 10, finally. Finally means after a long time, at the end. In Persian say در نهایت. They finally arrived at their destination. آنها در نهایت به مقصدشان رسیدند. Number 11, hide. Hide means to go somewhere or put something where it cannot be seen. In Persian say پنهان شدن یا پنهان کردن. The example sentence, the mouse tried to hide from the cat. موش سعی کرد که از گربه پنهان شود. Number 12, hunt. Hunt means to chase or kill animals for food or sport. In Persian we say شکار کردن. The lion hunts in the savannah. شیر در ساوانه شکار می‌کند.
Let's start the story. Once there was a small rabbit. He lived in a big forest with many trees. The rabbit was happy and enjoyed his peaceful life. One day, the rabbit was walking near a river when he saw a big, strong lion. The lion was hungry and looking for food. When the lion saw the rabbit, he smiled and said, "You are small, but you will make a good meal." The rabbit was afraid, but he was also clever. He didn't want to be eaten, so he thought of a plan. The rabbit said to the lion, "I agree to be your food, but I must tell you something important, lion." The lion was surprised. He asked, "What is it?" The rabbit replied, "There is another lion in this forest, and he is much stronger than you." Stronger is the comparative form of strong. The lion didn't like hearing this because he thought he was the best. The lion became angry. Stronger than me? That cannot be true. Take me to him. The rabbit arrived at a deep well and pointed inside. The stronger lion is in there, he said. The lion looked into the well and saw his own reflection in the water. He thought it was another lion. He roared loudly, and the reflection roared back. This made the lion even angrier. I will attack him now, the lion shouted. He jumped into the well to fight, but there was no other lion. The lion fell into the water and could not get out. The rabbit laughed and said, "You are not so strong after all." Then the rabbit ran back to his home, safe and happy.